welcome back to Jason's Acoustic Workshop. This is part 3 in the series where I show you the equipment that I use in live shows. We're still with the Behringer Europower PMP 2000D. In this part I'm going to show you the effects. Okay, the first part I showed you all the parts of it. Second part I showed you how to daisy chain. Today I'm going to show you the effects that are on this thing. There's you got reverb, you got about 6 of those, you got delay, you have modulation, and then you have combination effects. Okay, me personally, I like to use just the reverb. I like reverb on the voice and a little bit in the guitar. I use a pedal, which we'll show you later, that I use for reverb and delay and all that stuff. Okay, so this is mainly for my vocals, but you can use it for your guitar if you'd like. Alright, now here is it's a nice little number here. This is a 1985 Electro Voice microphone. This is a very, very nice, it's an ND457. I need to put the other piece on because it cracked. It's been sitting in the case all day, or for about 30 years, longer than that, but it still sounds awesome. Alright, so we're going to use this instead of the guitar, that way you can get a nice clear sound. Alright, I got my PV monitor right here, connected to the Europower in the back. So we're going to start off with the reverb. I'm going to turn this on, push the button here. Okay, you have it on right now. Now this, can you hear it? This is the reverb. This is number 1. This is the reverb. Can you hear that? Oh man, it sounds really good. Let me bring it down just a little bit here. Okay, alright, had the mid up a little bit. I usually use mid sometimes to cut through when I'm doing a live show. It helps with the vocals. Hello, check, check. Can you hear that? Oh man, that's how I play. I love that reverb. It just gives it a nice fuller sound. Alright, now here, that's the hall reverb. That's number 1. The number 2, what you want to do, I'll turn this off real quick. What you want to do when you want to change your settings, I'll bring this closer here. Okay, hopefully everybody can see that. Let me tighten that down there. We bring it down, loosen it up, bring it. Bear with me, everybody. Alright, I'm gonna zoom in. Hopefully it'll clear up. Alright, now number 1 is the hall. Now to get to number 2, what you want to do is you want to twist this to the left, number 2, and then push. And there's number 2. Okay? This is your concert. Check. Ooh, it's a little different. It's a little different. What you want to do though, if you want to increase it, you go left, and if you want to decrease it, you go, no, I'm sorry, if you want to increase it, you go right. If you want to decrease it, you go left. So we're going to decrease it here because we have it on. Okay, we're going to go back to there. There it is. You push, and it gives you the 8. So you bring it down, down, down. See how it's, okay. That's about as low as you can go. Alright? And you push on it like that, and there it's set. Okay? So if you want to change it, push it again. Okay, bring it up, check 1, 2, 3, check 1, 2, 3. See that? Oh yeah, that is awesome. That is awesome. Alright, now we're going to do number 3, which is a room reverb. Alright, number 3, you want to turn it to the right. Number 3, push it, there you go, you got it. Now what we want to do is we want to bring this back down to 8. That's where I usually have it. Alright? Okay, here we go. Check. It's really not much there. Not much to that one. Let's turn it up a little bit. Push it. 8. Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. 22. Let's see how high it goes here. It goes to 30. There we go. Sounds like you're in a bathroom. But this is a room reverb. Okay? So, push it back down, bring it down, back to 8. Alright. Now we're going to do number 4, which is chamber reverb. Here we go. We're going to push, turn to the right, push again, and we're at, oh, number 4, I'm sorry. Number 4, turn right, then push. There we are. Chamber reverb. Doesn't sound like much, but let's turn it up a little bit. Check, 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 1, 2. Check, 1, 2. Check. That's a little bit. Not something I would use, but let's bring it back over here where I'm at. All right, here we are. It's not something that I would use, but maybe you like just a little bit of reverb, maybe. That's all you. Okay, push it down. Let's bring it back down to 8. All right, so we're going to go to number 5, which is a rich plate. All right, so you're going to turn it and push. There we go. And this is at 8. Oh, this is 22. Let's bring it down to 8. There we go, rich plate. Well, that sounds okay. I could probably use something like this, but I like the hall reverb myself. Now, we're going to turn it up a little bit. You want to push down, bring it up. Let's go to 20. Check, 1, 2. There you go. Check. Check. It's a nice reverb sound. It's very clear. You can still hear your voice. So, all right, let's continue with the next one here. The next one is digiverb. Now I'm not really sure. Let me bring this down again. I'm not really sure. I've never used a digiverb. So we're gonna give it a try here. All right. Digiverb is number 6. Here we go. I'm going to turn it. Number 6. Push. There we go. Ooh, that's a different one. Check, 1, 2. Let's bring it up a little bit here. Check, 1, 2. Check. That only goes to 16. Check, 1, 2. Hey. This is pretty good. This is pretty good. I kind of like it. It sounds like I'm in a gigantic hall. But that's number 6, and those are your reverbs, okay? So now we're going to go to delay. Now delay, there's a way you can do the tempo of the delay, okay? We're going to show you how to do that. So we're going to bring this back down to 8, 7, 8, there we go. All right, delay is number 7, it's ambience delay. All right, here we go, number 7, push, check. Check. Oh. Now, if you want to, I don't know if it has, okay, it's at 30. Okay, bring it down. Okay, now, what you want to do, oh, the tap. You hit the tap right here. Okay. Check, 1, 2. I guess this ambient delay is not working too well. Let's see here. Let's go back. Here, check. 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 All right. Well, let's go to number 8, which is gated delay. Let's bring this back down here to number 8 again. Okay. Go to 8. Check. Ooh. Check. Check. This is a different kind of reverb. That's why. It's not your regular reverb that you would normally hear. Check. You get that sound. Check. Check. Now, if you really want to go crazy, oh, it only goes to 12. Check. 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 So, that's as good as it's getting there. All right. Now we have number 9, which is reverse delay. This is going to be interesting. All right. I guess number 12, bring it to 9. Check. Ooh. Check. I guess if you're like in a heavy metal band, you could use this. I would never use it though. Check. Check. It's a nice effect though. All right, number 10, which is your regular delay. This is the delay you want. Check. 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 See? See? Check right there. Check right there. That's what you want. That's what you want. Right there. Right there. Now, in order to increase it, what you want to do is a thing here that says tap. Okay? So you tap it the way you want it, how fast you want the delay to go. Like this. Check. See that? If you want to go fast, check. See? Check. So it's all about you. Give it kind of a check. One. See that? Go real fast. Check. See that? That's how you do the delay. That's your regular delay. Now we're going to do the ping-pong delay. Number 11. Alright, here we go. Number 11. Push down. Check. Ooh. I like that. I'm not sure if you probably can control the amount of delay, I think. Let's find out. Check. Yes, you can. Let's go really slow. Check. Yeah. So this is how you work the delay. This is how you work the delay, okay? So whenever you put it at the tempo you want, you just keep pressing where it says tap with that light beeping right there, and just keep pressing. If you want it faster, you press faster, and it'll give you that delay, okay? We also have an echo delay. Let's try that one. Number 12. Push down. Here we go. Check. I use this one too sometimes. I think we can do the tap too. Check. Check one. So the thing is, if you want to do this in a live setting, you have to make sure that you do the delay speed ahead of time. Unless you're doing it yourself, and you just kind of, before you start the song, just kind of strum a little bit and get the tempo and then do it that way if you like. It's totally up to you. Now for this last one, for now, we'll do it, the modulation and the combination in the next video. Number 13 is tape echo. I think that's bouncing from back and forth. I don't know. I've never used it, so we're going to find out right now. Here we go. 13. Check. Sounds like the ping-pong delay. That's what it sounds like. It sounds like a ping-pong delay. Let's slow it down a little bit. Let's see if it's any different. I think it is different. And I think you can control the amount of decay, I believe. Let's try it here. Yes. I think we can. Yes. So let's try it turned all the way up. Which is 20. Check. Now it's going to go on for a while. So that is your tape echo delay. Okay? So in the next video, I'm going to show you the modulation, and then I'm going to show you the combination effects. And after that video, I'm going to show you the pedal, the guitar pedal that I use when I play through this Behringer. Alright? So, for Jason's Acoustic Workshop, I'm Jason. You can support us any way you can. Just click on the link on the above, and make sure you subscribe. It helps me a lot when you do. If you have any comments, please leave a comment. If not, go to jasonsacousticworkshop@gmail.com, and I can answer your questions that way. But please subscribe, and we will see you in part 4, where we're going to be doing the rest of the effects. Alright?